Beautiful Asha Negi, who's also here with her boyfriend.
Yes.
वो भी host कर रही हैं Red Carpet.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Facebook live studio.
Thank
एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ, आप लोगों से पहले हम लोग live जा रहे हैं. So, how are you?
I'm doing good. Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. I'm great. I've been
Yeah.
working continuously. Just got back,
Just got back. Okay.
and I met your boyfriend who had
Achha.
broken my
Ribs.
bones.
He
Yeah.
recently broke his foot. Do you know?
Good for him.
Yeah.
No, I'm just
he
joking.
also broke
Just joking.
Ravi's ribs.
I know.
By the way.
I've been told.
Yeah.
I've been told. So, because he was here before you, he left you a question. He didn't know it's going to be you who's going to be answering that question.
Okay.
Yeah. So, is it Anushka or is it Katrina for you? What works for you? Now, I'm thinking. I mean, you can go wild with your imagination, whatever.
What works for me as in like who
I
do I
don't
like
know.
more?
Ask him, man. He left you the question. ये हमारी रीत है यहाँ की.
What
यहाँ
works
पे-
for me or what
Yeah.
works for him?
For
I mean,
yeah, we can. I like the way I like the where this is going. So what works for him with you involved in it? So
I don't know. It's just that.
and of course he mentioned specifically that Deepika is not a part of the question. I don't know why.
I think whatever it is, I'm sure the answer is Anushka.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
likes her.
I like her. I don't know about him.
Okay, so we don't care about Ritvik.
Yeah.
She likes Anushka. So what happens when she walks in right now? What's gonna happen?
I'm gonna rush towards her and say, Alize, कहाँ थी तुम?
कहाँ थी तुम? अच्छा अलीजे का एक डायलॉग ही बोल के सुना दे.
यार, I'm very bad with it.
चल एक चुटकी सिंदूर सुना दे.
अरे यार.
अगर अच्छा सुनील शेट्टी अगर एक चुटकी सिंदूर बोलेगा तो कैसे करेगा?
Yeah, I'm very bad with it. Trust.
Yeah, but this one did it really nicely. Huh?
He's a very good mimic. I mean, he
Mimic.
mimics very
Chal,
well.
how would Ritvik say this line?
Which one?
यही एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू?
And if he's saying the same line to Shah Rukh Khan?
Saying the same line to Shah Rukh Khan, as in Shah Rukh Khan
Face to
style.
face, yeah. No. If he's saying the same line to Shah Rukh Khan. If he's trying to say this line to Shah Rukh Khan. So imagine if Shah Rukh Khan comes in right now and I go and dare Ritvik कि भाई शाहरुख खान के सामने तेरे को ये डायलॉग बोलना है.
Okay. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू?
अब ना, this is my dare to you. As soon as Shah Rukh Khan walks in,
No,
you're supposed to do this.
It
Do
was really bad.
Do it.
And what do I say? I dash at it.
Okay, you can say it. It's just live. It's there's no SMP here. There's no. It's Facebook. Yeah.
So yeah, please don't do that.
Well,
I know I'm bad
if
at it.
you have to imagine a beautiful beach. आँखें बंद कर, आँखें बंद कर.
Okay.
A beautiful beach. Huh? Amazing blue water. Nobody there. White sand. Wind blowing. Now, if you have to imagine one man running there without the shirt, who's it gonna be?
Can I say Ritvik?
Nahi, I'm gonna give you answers. I mean, I'm
Okay.
gonna give you options. Huh?
Alright.
अल्ताफ राजा, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, आजा ऊपर आजा, बाबा साहब. अब चाहिए ऋत्विक तेरे को इन तीनों के साथ, और all three of them. You can have all three of them. I'm just saying.
मेरा पति मेरा परमेश्वर है मुझे. मैं ऋत्विक के अलावा मैं ऋत्विक को चीट नहीं कर सकती यार. I'm sorry.
बीच पे भाग रहा है वो, तुम चीट नहीं कर रही हो उसको, तुम कहाँ पहुँच जाती हो? I just asked. So guys, that's Asha Negi for you. हम क्वेश्चन कहाँ पूछते हो? आशा नेगी उस क्वेश्चन को कहाँ ले जाती है? Oh my God, बीच पे भाग रहे हैं तीन लोग. Okay, so the next question is from you to the other person who
Drop
comes.
my mic.
माइक तो मत फेंक यार ऐसे.
पकड़ लो ऐसे?
हाँ पकड़ ले. नहीं मैं पकड़ता हूँ ना. I'll ऐसे शिवलरी थोड़ी मरी है अभी तक. ये लो.
ठीक है.
So अब आपके बाद इस बूथ में जो भी आएगा, what is that one question that you would want somebody to answer? You don't know who it can be. Anybody. It could be Ranveer Singh. It could be Arjun Kapoor. Anybody.
What do I ask yaar?
मारे
I
डाला.
I swear. Your questions are such. I mean, out of this thing zone only yaar.
अरे कुछ भी पूछ यार. कुछ भी पूछ. I mean, it's got to be. Imagine, Deepika Padukone walks in and I'm like, listen, the last person who was in this booth has left a question for you. They won't know it's you. They'll find out later, like when they go to this page, the official page of Flux Golden Rose Awards. देख मैंने plug in किया इतना.
Okay, I would want to know that if they're happy with the decision of this 500,000 rupees note wala issue happening.
I tried to keep it non-political. But these women of today, you know, they read their news in shorts and everything. Well, I'd say that's a good question. What is your take on 500 and 1000 and 500 and 2000?
I support it. I mean, I think I'm quite happy with it. मुझे तो कोई problem नहीं हुई है. So I'm quite happy and.
जिनके पीछे 4 लोग चल रहे होते ना कैश लेके, उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम क्यों होगी? तो हम जैसे गरीबों को होगी प्रॉब्लम, हम जैसे गरीबों को.
जैसे गरीबों को.
So that was Asha for you. Asha, I'm gonna gift you one of these.
No,
अच्छा सा क्यूट सा निकालो. ये आशा. That's definitely Asha. हाँ, अपने क्यू कार्ड्स दे जाओ. मेरा
ऋत्विक को अगर बोलते तो हम चलो पहला वाला ही निकालता मेरे लिए.
ऋत्विक को मैंने वो गुस्सा वाला दिया था. हाँ. अब ये काम कर, you take my emoji and you leave your cue cards for me.
No, I can't do that. मैं क्या बोलूँगी वहाँ पे?
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for coming to our live studio.
And thanks for being such a good host.
बहुत कमी है. एक तो इतनी hot लड़की सामने खड़ी हुई है तो obviously.
Whatever.
Oh my God. The great ऋत्विक धनजानी. मैंने अभी तक माफ नहीं किया तुम्हें.
The great ऋत्विक धनजानी, जिसकी रिब्स तोड़ी थी मैंने, मेरा भाई.
I just have to tell you guys, खतरनाक आदमी है. इसने एक बार मेरी रिब्स तोड़ दी थी while shooting, but I have forgiven him because of his smile.
Yes.
So welcome.
Thank you very much.
आप क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? आप, मैंने सुना है बाहर कुछ.
Yes.
मुझसे ज़्यादा पैसे लेके कुछ कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल. थोड़े से ज़्यादा, तुम्हें 350, मुझे 550 रुपए मिल रहे हैं.
All in the family.
ज़्यादा फर्क
नहीं. As long as we don't have the 500 rupee and the
कुछ भी चलेगा. But what am I doing? I'm hosting the red carpet here for Lux Golden Rose Awards. और जो तुम अंदर कर रहे हो वही मैं बाहर कर रहा हूँ.
Thank you so much, ऋत्विक. आप मेरे पहले मेरे Facebook स्टूडियो में.
मैं जानबूझ के पहले आया.
But I'm live, okay? जो तुम कर रहे हो वो बाद में आएगा. Just saying.
You're live right now?
I'm live right now.
People are watching us right now?
Yeah. And they're probably also commenting on our jodi, and then we'll sign a film together.
There you go.
Yeah.
Have you guys?
Let's show our chemistry.
Have you guys seen Love School?
Yeah. Love School season 2.
3 बाबा. 3.
Okay. So the first thing I want to ask you is कि इसके बाद जो मेरे पास आएगा celebrity, whoever is coming in, I have to ask. Just give me a question.
Just give you a question. Anybody who comes in.
Yeah. And they won't know it's from you, so don't worry.
Okay.
They'll know later.
So ask.
Later, I mean, if they check.
Of course, when they check.
कौन घटिया इंसान था जिसने ये question पूछा? So it's.
You know what? You could actually ask. Say Ranveer is coming in. Right? Because we're celebrating Golden Rose Awards, we're celebrating beauty. So
the Lux Golden
Rose Awards. So I think you should ask somebody like Ranveer Singh, who's more prettier, Priyanka or Anushka?
तुम्हारे पढ़ाए. This guy is gonna get me beaten.
Just ask Priyanka or Anushka. And when he says Deepika, I don't know. We don't talk about Deepika here.
Okay, I have a question. Yeah? So, imagine a nice, beautiful beach.
Nice, beautiful beach. Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful blue waters.
Blue waters.
Imagine somebody running.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, I give you options.
Yes.
Who would you choose? We have Baba Sehgal, Donald Trump.
What?
Altaf Raja.
What?
Come on.
What do I have to choose one?
Yeah. First, imagine them.
Can I just imagine the beach empty?
No.
Okay. Actually, I think Donald Trump.
Why?
Because I just golden locks? No, I just want him to run away. Just go somewhere. Please.
Well, he's going all the way to the bank.
He's great. Now he's great.
Well, let's not get political.
He's great. He's fantastic.
No,
I
we love him.
Totally,
we love him. Yes, we love him.
I love you, sir. I love
you. We love you. Okay, what is your favorite emoji?
What's my favorite emoji? I think the laughing one. No.
This is his favorite.
This
that's
one?
His,
yeah.
That's his face. And that's my face when he broke my ribs.
So this is what happens. This is when we were shooting. Yeah.
And I was like, oh. Yeah,
I seriously broke his ribs. If you guys are thinking this is funny, no, this is not funny. I've actually broken it. Oh, damn.
So who do you think is the glamour diva of the year?
The glamour diva of the year. I think I have to give it to Priyanka.
And
I have to give it to Priyanka. See, there you go. And why? You would not even ask.
No, I'm not going to ask.
There you go.
And the iconic, say, look of the year.
Iconic look of the year? Madhuri Dixit. I'll tell you why. Because she was. I've worked with her very recently.
So she's not done any film recently.
I know she's not done any film recently.
But
Dil se, always. Yeah, Madhuri Dixit. Always.
Right,
always.
Right.
Has to be.
I agree.
You give that to me, right?
Most desirable diva of the year.
Again.
Kardashian?
Deepika?
Yeah.
Deepika? You know now.
Okay,
now
lovable diva of the year.
Anybody, Deepika.
Alia?
Alia. There you go. Of course. Alia.
And I have one more question.
Go for it.
You know that dialogue?
Which one?
Ek chutki sindoor ki कीमत.
Ek chutki sindoor ki. Yes, I know that. Yeah.
Who do you think can do it better? Out of Sunil Shetty,
Okay.
Abhishek and John,
and Shak. I think Sunil Shetty. I'll tell you why.
you have to do it.
Yeah, that's the reason I knew you were going to ask me to do it. But Sunil Shetty, चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू, करण बाबू,
Low. Your mind.
Well, thank you guys.